You've got that sort of mad stuff going on. But to answer the question, we had a fundraiser going on for about 2.5 years, and the thesis for that was we needed $2 million to get the data into production, and that meant we had to do R&D, we had to buy the parts and the dies, and we did that, and we successfully done that. And now what we've done is we've got a contract with an Indian manufacturer who's FDA approved. They've got the product in pilot scale production. They're going through their own ISO certification so that they can sell it anywhere in the world. And if you give us $2,000 as of February, for instance, then what happens is you buy an incubator.
Got you. So it is money for the incubators.
Yes, that's exactly what's happening. So that's what I was working ahead of myself, because I know I've only got about 5,000 days left to live. So I wanted to, immediately we had the light pods off the ramp, I wanted to have the money to get them out at scale. And I had this mad idea, why couldn't we all get together for one day, like the song, put our rifles down and forget about the park spouse, let's all be human beings and actually just do it.
Can you do it at Mount Smart or another venue?
We couldn't, because of the deal and the corporate suites and things like that, just that, which we get for free from Eden Park, means we can get some money out of it, but the concert guy's got his own deal with Eden Park. There's also other things going on in that day. We're doing, on the field, where we're doing a lot of things, breaking Guinness world records for the most number of gunboats thrown or the distance thrown. Yeah. And we're doing a thing up and down the country celebrating innovation. So we're going to go right from